These are the tools needed for crocheting. These are scissors. You need to prepare your own scissors, which are usually used to cut yarns. This is crochet hook. Two kinds of crochet hook, big one and small one. The big one is recommended for beginners. With the same yarn, you will make a bigger pattern by using the bigger crochet hook. With a smaller crochet hook, the pattern will be smaller and tighter. The left one is made by the bigger crochet hook, and the right one is made by the smaller hook. This is a marker. We use markers to mark stitches. We suggest that the beginners mark the first and the last stitch of each round with a marker. Take this crochet fabric, for example. We are crocheting counterclockwise. We place a marker on the first stitch. There is also a marker on the last stitch. When we crochet to this place, we need to remove the marker and continue crocheting. This is a yarn needle. This one is made of plastic and this one is made of steel quality. Yarn needle is used to behind the end of the yarns when we finish our crocheting. The animal's limbs need to be stitched and their facial features need to be embroidered. This is hot melt glue, which can be used by a glue gun. If you do not have a glue gun, you can melt it with a lighter and then apply to where it needs to be sticky.